Hello, I'm going to show you how to open the microwave door if it's not working. So you come here and press and nothing, the door is not opening. In my case, I've already opened, but I'll show you how to do it. So you need to have something that can fit in between here and the door. So in my case, I have a ruler. You can use a knife. Then when the door is closed, you're gonna have to push it in. What happens is it goes and push this part over here, and once it's pushed up, the door will open right away. So that's something you can do to open your door. You push in between there, and once you push that latch, it'll open. Once you push it, it'll open. Now after that, you will need to find out what is going on. Is it a mechanical problem? Is it an electrical problem? So what you need to do is come and look for the screw. There was one here, and there was another one here, and another one here, and two of them on this side. I don't know if you can see because my light is not really good here. So those two, once you unscrew, you just pull this part. Just pull it. Now your microwave is open. This is what you have here. Now if it's an electrical problem, you probably need to change the fuse, because most likely it's gonna be broken. I don't know how much it costs, but it can save you the cost of buying the whole microwave if it's the electrical problem. But most likely it's gonna be mechanical problem. So what happens for mechanical problem, when you push in here, there's that thing pushing over there, and in my case I have already removed this piece. This piece was hanging in here, so when you push the door, it will just, I'm just not gonna be perfect here, but when you push the door, it's just gonna twist like this and unlock the door, push the latch over there. And in my case, I already removed this part and find out, yeah, it's supposed to be like this. When you click the door here, you push it like this, and this part open the door. So in my case, I found out that this part, plastic part here, was broken. You can see it. I don't know if I will try super glue, and if it doesn't work, I don't really care much. This is the microwave I haven't used for a long time. I've been having it since 2012, because when it broke, I had another one that I was using. So it, depending on what damage, you can, I don't know if you can buy a new piece like this, or you can fix it, whatever is easier for you. It might save you the cost of buying the whole microwave. If you like my video, please like it. Let me know your view. If you have any question, put it in the comment, and please remember to subscribe to my channel so you can be able to create more videos like this. This is actually my first video of how to, and I plan to make more. One more thing that you need to know is, once you disconnect your microwave from the socket or the electricity, there is a capacitor, that thing over there. Even if your microwave is not connected to the power, it still hold power, and you don't want to get hurt. if you look over here, it says Deja high voltage discharge capacitor before serving. So whatever that means, you disconnect. So because if you touch something when it has power, it keep power even if it's disconnected, it can shock you and it can pass electricity to you and do some bad damage. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.